Desert. Savannah. Jungle. Arctic. Ooh, look at all this snow. It's really tough to survive out here. But some animals like caribou and Arctic foxes have special ways of finding food hidden underneath the snow and ice. Caribou look like large deer, and they have to dig through the snow to find the nutritious grass and lichen they need to survive. Can you find the caribou some food? Swipe the screen to remove the snow. Amazing! By removing the snow, Thanks to the caribou removing the snow, Arctic foxes can also get their food. Great job! When rodents... That's it! Just a few more. Incredible! Would you look at that? Great job! Wow, wasn't that amazing? But we'd better get back to the control tower. Desert. Crocodiles are carnivores, and most animals stay away from those strong jaws and sharp teeth. But not the Egyptian plover. These tiny birds clean the crocodile's teeth, and in return, the crocs don't eat them. Let's see if we can find a crocodile whose mouth is open. Well done! Look, there's a crocodile with its mouth open. Whoa, look at those teeth! They're huge! The plover will first inspect the teeth, just like a dentist. Then they pick out the old bits of food from around the crocodile's teeth. Nice! There's a piece. We got it! Nice! We probably shouldn't get too close. It looks like the croc is getting hungry again. Let's head back to the control tower. Savannah. We're in the savannah, home to some amazing creatures that work together. Oxpeckers are small birds that are often seen perching on the backs of mammals like rhinos. Oxpeckers will try to eat the ticks on the rhino's back. Let's see how many ticks we can get. Haha, they're not getting away. Well, that's one. Oh, good job. There's another one. Oh, got. Haha, good job. Oh, got one. Good job. There's another. Oh, got one. Did you see that? Those oxpeckers really are incredible, but they have. Uh-oh, watch out. Some lions are nearby. Let's see how the oxpeckers deal with them. Help the oxpeckers to alert the rhinos. Click or tap on the predators. That's it! Well done! That's it! Gotcha! Nice job! That's it! Oxpeckers really are quite something. With them around, I don't think the animals... Jungle. Welcome to the jungle, home to sloths and moths. These two animals help each other out. Sloths give moths a place to live, and moths help sloths to grow green algae on their fur. Come on, little moth. Great. Come on, little moth. We've got a new... Great. Another moth has landed. Awesome. It looks like these moths have a new home. A sloth's fur is the perfect home for a moth. In return for a home in the sloth's fur, the moth helps the sloth grow green algae. This helps the sloths to hide. That's it. The sloth keeps swiping. Keep going. That's it. The sloth's fur is beginning to turn green. Wasn't that incredible? The moths get a home and food, and the sloths get an amazing disguise.
Back